In today's video, we port in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and walk to the famous Pigeon Park before getting back on board for a beautiful sail away. We then join our friends for dinner at La Cucina and finish out the night with the show Amor Cubano in the Grand Spectrum Theater. All that and more starts now. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the celebration in San Juan. We are here. We made it. It looks like a very gloomy day. We are going to head to breakfast, and then we'll probably head off just to do a little bit of walking and exploring. Hopefully it clears up a little bit. It's nice to be not in direct sun, but it almost looks like it's going to storm, so we need to check the old weather report and see how that looks. Well, it said it was a 20 to 30 minute wait, but that was probably 6.5 minutes. So, don't believe everything you hear. We are here in the festival. I'll throw the menu up here. It is the same as yesterday. Again, the port menus and the sea day brunch menus are similar, but not the same. But they are the same with it's a sea day, same as a sea day. Port day, same as port day. That was very convoluted. Sorry if I confused you. Yeah, so we are super excited. It does look like it might be clearing up just a little bit, so hopefully that'll be good. Yes, can I do a croissant with some guava and honey and the smoked salmon? And if I could have extra cream cheese with that? And then if I could have a side of bacon. That'll be it. Thank you. Well, it's time for us to get off of the ship. I've switched over to the 360 camera. Just makes things a lot easier in our movement. So, less to carry, etc. Well, we are heading back to the ship, but it is currently raining, so we are getting pretty wet, and the line is pretty long to get back on, so I think we're gonna get a little wet out here, folks. We're back on board, a little wet still. Went back to the room, changed our shirts because we were all pretty wet, and came up here to the buffet. Katie went to get some Guy's burgers, and I took Madison to grab some stuff off of the Family Express buffet. And I'm gonna go get a salad here because I could really go for a stacked salad. So that's what I'll be doing here soon in a bit. And yeah, I think we'll probably go take a little rest after this and chill out. So good stepping in San Juan. With sad it got kind of cut short with all the rain, but still had a great time. Went back to the room, took showers, girls went down for the nap, and I am now waiting for Jason and Julia to get back on board, and then we're going to go to their forward-facing balcony and set up a little time-lapse because back on board's here in the next 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and then we'll be sailing away. So we're leaving pretty early, so it'll be light out when we leave. Although it's a pretty gloomy day, so I don't think there's going to be anything really to write home about with this, but it'll be cool to watch us back out and stuff. Okay, Captain has sounded the horn. It is 2:30. All aboard is now. And there's still a few people walking on. Yeah, we'll see if we have any pier runners. I don't think we're gonna have, the pier's not very long, so I don't think we're actually gonna have any runners. We might have a few walkers, but it's pretty quiet. We are the only ones here in port, so cannot blame that. Well, we came back to the room after sail away. The girls had just got up, so we've been just hanging out, taking showers, getting ready for the evening. They washed the outside of our window when we were in port, and so we have a beautiful view. The sky is looking gorgeous. It has cleared up a little bit, so this should be a beautiful sunset. I'm gonna do a little time lapse, see if I can catch it. As long as we don't veer from the path we're on, then we'll have a nice little shot of the sunset. But we are getting ready to head out here, do the reservation for La Cucina, and it's going to be all of us. So this will be fun. Really looking forward to it. So we have made it to La Cucina. I'll go ahead and throw the menu up here for you to check out. We are all here, big table. The whole gang's here. Yes, here is the wifey, of course, from the Jolly Cruise Vlogger. Nathan's here too. And then we got P&B's Wide World of Ports all sitting with us as well. The gang's all back together for dinner. We all kind of did our own thing last night. But yeah. Italian is one of those things that like could be super good, and it has in the past. So I'm hoping that continues. So let's see what we get up to here at La Cucina. Yes, please. Can I do the Frito Misto? And then the caprese salad. And then if I could do the spaghetti carbonara. And the side of roasted broccoli and cauliflower. And then if I could do the apple crostata. So here tableside is Mano J. He is a comedic hypnotist and magician that goes around to all the main dining rooms and will do card tricks and coin tricks and tricks with, balls and things. It's a ton of fun, and he is kind of all over the ship. Now, he's less on the actual entertainment side these days because he's actually a department head, and so he actually travels around teaching some of the other magicians to do the acts and things in the main dining room. So something that's really cool, and we had a great time. Well, dinner was, I'm stuffed. I am stuffed. That was a huge meal, and I didn't even order that much. But we have found our way just outside the Latitude Bar. We're going to have some steel drums coming up soon, so we're going to just sit here and listen to some steel drums. Okay, so we have made it here to the show. Mommy and Maddie went to bed because we are pushing way past Madison's bedtime, but we are here at the show. I got Patrick. Jason says he was on his way. I think Julia might be coming as well. So super excited to bring this to you. I can't remember if I've seen this before, like I said earlier, but I don't remember it if I did. So I'm excited to see it again for the first time. So yeah, let's enjoy. I want to say it's Amor Cubano. I may be wrong, but I hope you enjoy.
Oye, and family, put your hands together for the amazing cast of Amor Cubano! Everybody, come on, clap those hands! Clap, come on, clap those hands! Party time!
Okay, we are back in the room after a wonderful day, trying to be really quiet because Madison's already sleeping. Just had some late night pizza with the boys after the show. It was a really good show. I can't remember if I've seen it before. It seemed kind of familiar, but then I also remember the last time we were on the celebration, the Flying Scotsman, who was our cruise director, has his like one-man show. And so I almost feel like maybe that's what we went to instead of this Cubano show. But it was really good. There was a live music on the stage playing with a backing track, which was kind of nice. Change up for Carnival. Usually they have nothing but a backing track, but it was kind of nice to have live performers on the stage as well. So that was really good. I really enjoyed that show, and I hope you did too. But I think that's where I'm going to end tonight. Tomorrow we have Thing 1, Thing 2 breakfast. I think it's what it's called. The Dr. Seuss green eggs and ham and all that stuff. So we are going to get up pretty bright and early because I think our reservation's like 8:15, 8:30, something like that. So that's what you're going to see in the morning. Super excited about that. Thanks so much for joining me here at San Juan. It's such a great day today, and we didn't even really do anything. So it's one of the joys of cruising, is you can do all of it or none of it or some of it. It's up to you. So anyways, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not. Comment down below if you've ever been to San Juan. Did you do anything? Have you ever seen the umbrellas in Umbrella Street? Because I haven't. And one day I'd like to. But that's all I got. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.